When compared with chit funds, how safe are mutual funds? And what are the safety regulations in mutual funds? Industry expert Mr. Sandeep will explain this to you now.
Why chit funds are popular? Because nobody knows. I was actually talking to one of my colleague, and she was saying that her mother had got a query where she is saying that one of her friend has invested a certain amount of rupees into a particular investment, and she is getting obnoxious return, which is about say 18% kind of a return every month, which is like 18 into 12, so you're roughly getting about say 9 months the money back. So whenever such lucrative offers are there, just become cautious. You have to understand the fact that when somebody is giving you such high kinds of return, is there a legal framework to it? I don't know whether you would heard about there was a concept of reviewing large company questionnaire on the website, and you were being paid some amount of money. It went on for a few months and then it got bankrupt. So the money which the people invested, they would never get back their money. So in that scenario, I think what SEBI has done a remarkable progress in regulating the mutual funds. As an advisor, they have to also appear for an exam, which is a certified exam. As an employee also, we have to also go for such kind of an examination. Then there are internal regulations. There are regulations on this stock. You cannot hold as an AMC level more than 10% of a particular stock. Then there are internal limits also within the company. uh, you can only invest into a stock which is being recommended by the analyst. You cannot have any stock just like you like this stock, you want to buy it. The telephone lines of the fund manager during the trading hours are being recorded. For any exception in the transaction, or even there is a passive breach, there is a committee which looks at it, and you have to report it to SEBI. Any new feature, any scheme merger which is to be there, it needs to be approved by SEBI. So in nutshell, SEBI is looking at every nook and corner of the mutual fund piece. So it's a well regulated. So anything which is not regulated chit fund, please avoid it. You should not look at those kind of investments. Maybe few of them may be lucky for a few months, but ultimately all these chit fund companies fail, and SEBI is keeping a very strong eye on these kind of chit funds.
Thanks for your detailed explanation. Are you in search of a personal guide who can remove the stress of handling your finances? Then please feel free to avail our expert consultation. And also you can attend our webinars to gain investment related insights. Both the consultation and webinar are absolutely free, and you can find the link in the below description. Please like and share, and do subscribe to Holistic Investment.